The anticipation is high for the 2022 Grammy Awards. Artists, producers and industry players are anxiously waiting to see who will be included in the list of nominees for the 2022 Grammys. This year sees the 2021 Festival Song Album being selected for the long list for Best Reggae Album. The 12-track album features songs performed by this year's winner Statius, as well as finalists TVJ, Luton Fire, I-Octane, Fab 5, among others. Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange expressed joy at the news, describing the moment as historic. The National Festival Song Album joins Alkaline's Top Prize, Spice's 10, Sean Paul's Live and Living, and Etana's Pamoja among the over 120 other albums which have been submitted to the Recording Academy for consideration. Voting members of the National Academy of Recording Arts and Sciences are reviewing the long list of entries to determine the top nominees for the Reggae Album category. The first round of voting closes on November 5, with the official announcement of nominees set for November 23. The 2022 Grammy Awards will be held on January 31 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles. Hardcore dancehall artist Massacre has dropped a new single update of his upcoming album 438. The track is produced by TVJ Records and focuses on an explosive techno beat. Update is trending number 2 on streaming platform YouTube with over 1.4 million streams. The single gives fans a preview of what to expect from his long-awaited album. The first single to be released from the project was Different Type, which dropped back in May. On the international scene, pop star Justin Bieber has secured 10 nominations to lead this year's People's Choice Awards. In the music and pop culture categories, Lil Nas X is in second place with 6 nods, while Olivia Rodrigo and Doja Cat are tied in third place with 5 nominations each. Bieber is up for Song of 2021, Music Video of the Year, Collaborative Song of the Year, as well as Male Artist and Album of the Year for Justice. Lil Nas X was nominated for Male Artist of the Year, Song of the Year for his hit Montero, and Album of the Year, Montero. The fan-voted award show features 40 categories across movies, television, music, and pop culture. The People's Choice Awards is slated for December. I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.